Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So we have the next questions on the board, 37 and 38. Now these two would be used. This diagram will be used to solve these two problems, okay? We are given a circle theorem. We are told that it is not drawn to scale. In the diagram, angle PMQ, the letter at the middle represents the angle. You can see, as you can see on the board, angle PMQ, PMQ. Then you see that's 34. And angle NQM, NQM is equals to what? 28. Use the information to answer question 37 and 38. These two questions. This is based on circle theorem. Circle theorem has so many theorems, but the theorem we are going to apply here, you will see that now. Now, we have to find QTN. QTN, which means we are looking for this side. We are looking for the angle over here. Okay? Now, if you look at what we have here, look at this shape. This is QTN. Look at it. That's a triangle, right? That means for us to find this angle over here, you must look for the angle over here. Then you cannot take what sum of angles in a triangle to be equals to 180 degrees. Then now do look for the angle over here. We need the angle here to get this angle. Now, if you look at this line, this is a segment. Angles drawn from the same segment like this. Look at it. Drawn from the same line like this. They are said to be equal. So if this is 34, here is going to be 34. You understand? So if this also is, let's say is 20 something, is also going to be equal to this. So that means this is equals to this is equals to this place. That's the meaning of angle in the same segment are equal. So we have gotten this 34 now. We can now say summation of 34 and 28 plus the angle we are looking for equals to 180. So let's do that. That's going to give us 180 minus 28 plus 34. So and this is going to give us 180 minus what? 20 plus 34 gives us what? 62. So 180 minus 62, that should give us 118. So our answer for angle QTN is 118. So this is the correct answer to that problem. So the answer is 118. Let's go to the next one. Find angle MPN. MPN. Can you see? We're actually looking for the angle over here. But we need, we have gotten this already. Let me put that there. 118 what? Degrees. Okay, and I told you that the angle drawn in the same segment, that means we need the angle over here to be able to get the angle here. So this is a straight line as well. So sum of angle on the straight line there was 180. So if this is 118, then we need to find the angle over here. Indirectly, we are trying to go back to this. Since when we add these two together, we got 62. And when we subtract these two from 118, we have what? 118. So that means that if I say 180 minus 118 now, that will be 180 minus 118. Okay, I'm solving the second problem. Let me put it here. 180 minus 118. That will give us 62. So the angle over here is what? 62. So that's angles drawn from the same segment are equal. So this is the angle we're actually looking for. That means if this is 62, this has to be what? 62. So angle MPN will be equals to what? 62 degrees. So which is option A. So this is how you solve circle theorem problem, okay? It's because it's objective, that's why you have to go through this way. So if this theory part, as I'm solving it, I have to put the laws, okay? And there's no space for me here to even do that. So I just want you to understand it carefully. Let me come back to that again. We are given this angle, this and this one and this one, and we have to find angle QTN. QTN is what we are looking for. That means the angle over here. You understand? Since these two angles were given to you, and if you look at this shape here, it is a triangle. So that means we need the angle over here. By the time we get the angle here, we can sum this and this together minus 180 because sum of angles in the triangle add up to 180. So we get this angle by saying that angles drawn from the same segment are equal. If this is 34, here has to be 34. So when we say 34 plus 28, then 180 minus that summation of the two, which is 62. 180 minus 62 gives us 118. So that's how we're able to get the angle over here, which is angle QTN, which is for this one. Okay. Second one, I say we should also find angle MPN. M, P, and N. So this angle over here, which is what? 62. Okay? Because since we have this angle over here, we can find the angle over here and then take what? Angles in the same segment are equal. So if this is 118 and this is a straight line, 180 minus 118 gives us the 2. So whatever angle you have here, we are going to have the same thing because sum of angle in the same segment are what? Are equal. That's how you go about it. Okay? So that will mark the end of today's lesson. If you enjoy my video, please kindly give this video a like. Share this video and subscribe to my channel to receive any update from this channel. And don't forget to also follow me on Facebook page and TikTok page. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.